Hey, have you ever wondered why a car near the seaside rusts faster than a car on a place where the sea is far? Is it because of the boats or yachts? Or is it because of the smell of the ocean? No, actually there's something in common with the smell of the ocean. Let me explain it to you. Remember, most cars are made up of metal. The most common cause of rust on cars is exposing the metal to water. The way most of your cars are coated to steam in order to try and prevent rusting, or at least so than the process of rusting over time, or in situation where the amount of exposure is higher than average. Rusting occurs even on new cars. It's not only cars that rust faster near the seaside. For an example, boats, chains, train wheels, actually anything that is made out of metal. Metals rust quicker by the sea because salt water allows electrons to flow easily from the metal to the oxygen molecule. Question 1. How does saltwater rust metals? Iron oxide, a reddish brown compound, is normally referred to as rust. It is formed when iron and oxygen react in water or in moisture in the air. The reaction of iron and chloride underwater is also referred to as rust. Certain factors speed up the rusting process, such as salt in the water. Question 2. How do metals rust? Not all metals rust. For example, aluminium. Aluminium doesn't rust because it has a protective layer of aluminium oxide on its surface. This stops the metal coming into direct contact with water or moisture in the air and oxygen. On the other hand, iron rusts because it forms hydrated iron oxide when it comes into contact with water or moisture in the air and oxygen. Topic: saltwater versus freshwater. Current flows more easily in saltwater than it does in freshwater. This is because saltwater electrolyte solution contains more dissolved ions than freshwater, meaning electrons can move more easily. Since rusting is all about the movement of electrons, iron rusts more quickly in saltwater than it does in freshwater. Certain metal objects that spend a lot of time submerged in saltwater, such as boat engines, rust quickly. However, objects do not have to be completely submerged in saltwater for this to happen, because increased moisture in the air and salt spray can provide the electrodications, positive ions, and anions, negative ions. Question 3. What chemicals rust metal rapidly? Rust is a chemical reaction that involves the exchange of electrons between atoms. Certain chemicals can accelerate rusting by increasing the electrical activity between iron and oxygen. Substances such as salts and acids increase the conductivity of moisture around metal, making rust happen more quickly. The combination of moisture, oxygen, and salt, especially sodium chloride, damages metal worse than rust does. This combination corrodes or eats away the metal, weakening it and causing it to fall apart. Salt water corrodes metal 5 times faster than freshwater does, and the salty, humid ocean air causes metal to corrode 10 times faster than air with normal humidity. Bacteria in ocean water also consumes iron, and their excretions tend to rust. Vinegar. Vinegar speeds up rusting because it contains a dilute form of acetic acid. Positive hydrogen ions in the acid remove electrons from ionizing it and making it susceptible to rust. Vinegar in water also conducts electricity better than water alone, facilitating the movement of electrons and ions during the rusting process. Although bleach and vinegar both accelerate rusting, do not combine the two, as the mixture releases toxic chlorine gas. Topic: preventing rusting of metal. Coating iron with a protective layer of zinc stops it from rusting because zinc stops the reaction between iron, oxygen, and water. This is known as galvanization. Specially manufactured paint can also stop saltwater or salty air from making metal rusty. Topic: preventing corrosion. To prevent the corrosion of metal in saltwater, rinse the metal completely in freshwater after removal from saltwater. Dry the metal thoroughly, especially in crevices and pockets where saltwater lingers. To store a metal that regularly sits in saltwater, keep the metal submerged completely in oil, antifreeze, or kerosene, also known as paraffin. These measures can keep boat hulls, engines, also other CFR metals from corroding. That was all for today, guys. If you have a question regarding this video, feel free to comment down below. You can also comment down below on what video you would like to see next. You know what they say, sharing is caring. So you can share this video with your loved ones and strive to be the best at the center of excellence by subscribing to this channel. Follow and chat with us social through these pages that you see on the screen. Thank you for watching.